What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to force quit the CBS app, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So if you're having trouble with the CBS app, one of the easiest ways to fix it is of course to force close and then reopen the app. Well, if you need to do that, if you already have troubles, this is by far the easiest way to force quit the app. While you're on your phone, you can go to the recent applications button, which is located either on the left or the right side of the home button at the bottom of the screen. It's not the back button, of course. It resembles two boxes or a square or two lines, or in this case on my device it's these three vertical lines in the bottom left corner. So when you press on it, the recent apps will open. How to do it? Well, on my Android phone you can just hold that app you want to force quit, and just swipe it upwards, and overall you have successfully force quitten it, and you can just reopen that specific app. So quite an easy process. So basically, as I told you, a list of running apps should now show on the screen, and find the CBS app you want to force quit and scroll it up from the bottom to basically force quit that app. Then of course stop and hold on the app, then simply swipe to the right. Now you can relaunch the CBS app or just find it in your phone wherever it is located. So guys, overall that's the way on how to force quit CBS app. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.